everyone. Today I have this little handy dandy little tool to make tassels with. So you can make a 2-inch tassel, you can make a 3.5-inch tassel, and the largest size would be a 4.5-inch tassel. And so you're going to grab your yarn and you're going to decide, let me see if I can find the end here, and decide on which size you want. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the 4.5-inch, and I'm just going to hold it with my thumb and I'm just going to wrap it around this. I'm sort of wrapping it loosely, not super tight, because I want to be able to slide this off. So I'm just wrapping it, and I'm using a thicker yarn here, so I'm not going to need as many turns of my yarn. So the thinner the yarn, the more turns you're going to want to do, unless you want a thinner tassel. So the thicker of a tassel you want, you're going to need more winding of your yarn. So I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to end it with the tassel ending on the bottom, because this is going to be the top part of my tassel and this is the bottom. So I'm just going to go there. Now I need to cut a piece for the hanging part. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to double this so that it'll hang from here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this off, and I'm going to pull it through the in between, and that's what this little cutout of the tool is. And I'm just going to grab it and hold it, and I'm just going to pull it up to the top like that, and I'm just going to tie a knot up here. I'm doing it pretty tight. And then I'll tie these two pieces together, and this will be my hanging knot. And you can unravel these ends or keep them together. Now I'm going to need another piece to go around this part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it off here first. And then I'm going to need another little piece to go around it. So this piece is going to be, I don't know, like 8 inches. Actually, I'm going to just do it like this so that the ends are long to the bottom, and I'm just going to add a little bit because I'm going to go around it. And I'm going to need a little bit extra for my knot. So I'm sort of just placing it. I'm giving myself about 3/4 of an inch up on top. And I'm just going to do a tight knot. I'm going to wrap it around this way. And do a double knot. And then I'm going to grab the ends and I'm going to pull tight. So I'm sort of cutting in the middle of it. And you can fuss with the little knot there. I'm just pulling them all down. And then you can give it a little haircut so that they're all the same here. And there you go. And then you can hang these on any banner, or on any, you could even hang it on a purse, on a gift. And that's what this tassel maker is for. And you can find the link down below to purchase it on my website. And I would love to see what you create with these. So if you can tag me, I'd really appreciate that. So thanks again. Have fun, and I will see you around. Thanks. Bye.